Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Supabase React. Today we are going to learn how to fix the issue that is authListener.unsubscribe is not a function. Before, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically here you can see that we have the issue that is authListener.unsubscribe is not a function in the auth provider, right? Let's go and check. So here you can see that it says that the auth listener.unsubscribe is not a function. Let's try to do something with here where we have to add subscription dot unsubscribe. Let's have a look. Here you can see the issue is resolved, right? So what we have to add, let me go and just check. So here we have to add the subscription. Okay, so when you add this one, the issue will resolve, right? So this is how you can fix that issue. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.